Assalamu alaikum. Today here we are going to learn very basics for the class ninth Cambridge, and the course code is 0478 for paper 2. Alright, in paper 2 our very first step is this, that we got confused that how we will write down the pseudocode, how we started, and how can we practice just for the ninth Cambridge. So here we are going to start our very first thing. Whenever you are going to write down the code, the first thing is this declaration. So the thing is this, that how will you declare the things as well. So the thing is this, my first question is this, that write a code that declares a variable student name. All right, so as we know that we cannot write the name of variable, or you can say the variable with a space. Here the variable name is student name. So how can we align, or you can say the correct as per syntax. So the first thing is this, how can we do this? We can write down as it is student uh, student sorry alright, student and name. This is the first thing, which is correct. Second, the way you, how can you do this, you can go for this kind of student name. It is acceptable, but it is not having the readability. Second thing is this, how can you again declare the variable as per syntax. You can go for a student name. It is actually correct, but it is not increasing the readability as well. So the better thing is this, that you just separate it by using an underscore as well. So if you're these are the all correct sentences, but the wrong one, wrong कैसे होगा, जब आप अपने वेरिएबल को किसी भी नंबर से स्टार्ट करेंगे. One student name, it's totally wrong. All right, if you are writing the variable name some kind of special letters, student name, it is also wrong. So what you have to do, you can write down the correct variable name by using the underscore if it is at initial, underscore student underscore name. You can go for the student underscore name, and you can write down the number at the end of this variable. So these are the correct methods to write down the name of the variables. Now our question was basically this, that write down a code that declares a variable student name. So we are going to declare a variable student name. So how can we do this, how we will do this? So the first thing, you have to write down the keyword which is declare. Now you will write down the uh, variable name and then colon and then data type. All right, so what are the data types we have? I have discussed in the previous class as well, in the previous video. You can go and visit that video, and you will directly understand what are the data types basically. So right now we are going to write down the variable declare, and the name of variable what I suggested from my side, we can write down std underscore name, and data type is, as we know that any letter or any letter, or you can, the sequence of letters will be having a data type that would be string. So this is the correct way of declaring any variable. So I am going to modify this data question. Here we go. Now we are going to declare another variable. So write a code that declares a variable student marks. So how we will do this? We will simply write down same declare student underscore marks, and the data type for any kind of numeric data would be integer. All right, I am moving to another code, another example. Write down a code that declares a variable grade. So how we will do this? We will exactly do this, declare, and now we are moving to write down the name of variable grade. And remember, any letter or character you are pressing from the keyboard, any letter or character you are pressing from the keyboard, that the data type will be character. All right, so these are the things what I have to for this. So this is a way how can we declare the variables. These are the correct methods in pseudocode when you are following the code 0478 or 2210. So in the next lesson we will learn about that how we will initialize or how we will assign the values as well. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and stay updated. Thank you.